What's up YouTube, Driftwolf Gaming here, and today we're going to show you the track layout right now.
Drift Racer, innovative future tech.
So we're going to go to race, we're going to do 2 laps, put it on race mode, dry track 2 laps, we can press the start stop, and then when I get down, you can see my face, hello. I'm going to use the start stop again. It's going to count down. And we're going to follow the car right here. So I hope everybody's able to see this. That should be it. Now we're going to go to start stop again. Hope you guys can see this real quick. We're going to see the points. There we go. Slowest 27 seconds 1/40th, and fastest 25 seconds 360. So yeah, that's actually how it goes. These things are so easy to set up. I mean, I've got the track here. I just put that one down there. I just have to measure these little holes. But yeah, my track is a little bit like this. So again, how it's on the picture is actually exactly how it should be. So I already measured it. And that's how you do it. So people are going to be like, well, how do you exactly measure and how do you check everything? Well, it's not like you're going to shave off time by taking a different route, because you can touch the thing with your car, you can touch the barriers, and sometimes it slips through, and sometimes you just hit it, and it's gonna take you take time off as well. Okay, so now we're gonna go into tuning. We had it on the wide V limited. We had it on 1,000 brake horsepower. We can go back to 750. That's the kind of a little bit like in between. 750, close. This tablet is really slow, I apologize, but I'm gonna go back to race. Put it on race, 2 laps dry, start stop. And as soon as we hit the start button on the tablet again, it's gonna start. So I'm turning on the lights again, going down off the chair, putting the car back, and let's try it again. That's the fastest I've been up till now. 23,940 and 22,120. So that's not bad. We're gonna try follow mode again. It's 2 laps on a wet track with the white V8 limited edition. We're gonna try and test this out. that was a close one actually. I think this might be my fastest time. I see that the whole thing stopped again. Now it's focused on the middle thing. I'm gonna tap that away. There we go. Score 141. Come on, zoom in. There you go. I'm gonna tap that away. And our fastest time is now 21,980. I think that's the fastest I've done. Either way, I think the first lap when the camera was following the car looked really good because you could see how close I got around some of the barriers right there. So that's definitely a keeper. So this was 2 laps on a wet track with the white V8 limited edition on 700 brake horsepower.
Hey, it's me, the Drift Wolf. Anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know that even though I normally drift with the drift racers, I actually just like racing, but I'm just very bad at it. So I want to see what you guys can bring to the table. So start doing this online challenge right now. And then I'll see you guys in the video so you can challenge me as well. Y'all see some times in here regarding dry laps and 1 wet lap. So that should be good enough, shouldn't it? Either way, this was Drift Wolf, and I just wanted to give a big shout out to Sturmkind.com for making these cars because they're so damn addictive. Bow!
So again, it's very easy to do. You just lay out your track, you follow the lines that you can see on the pictures. Again, very easy. You go from left all the way over to the right. You go in between the barriers, then you go outside of the 2, go in between the circle and the long barrier, go back over around, loop-de-loop, back to the finish line. That's how easy it is. You can see the measurements right here. And again, I'm going to show you guys in the next video, if you don't have the track and barriers, how you can make it with homemade stuff. Like, for instance, the coasters, you know. The coasters, again, like I said, are exactly the same measurement right here. So you put this one on. Maybe it's going to be like 1 millimeter difference. But they completely fit. They're the same size, almost 99.9%. But you can put those coasters down, use them as your barriers yourself. Just don't hit them. Don't go over them. Just go around. And yeah, something like that. Or maybe like a peanut butter bottle or whatever. Or a drinking bottle or something like that. Either way, it's very easy to do. I'll see you guys in the next video, and like and subscribe, Drift Wolf Gaming, and check out Sturmkind.com for your drift racer needs. Thanks for watching.
Drift racer, innovative future.